Karbon, Canopy, or TaxDome? Which one should you choose? So, when it comes to pros, Karbon is an excellent task management and collaboration features. It also has integration with email and calendar systems and powerful reporting and analytics. It is also ideal for larger teams and firms. But for the cons for Karbon is that pricing can be on the higher side and can feel a bit complex for smaller firms. Next up is Canopy. It is a user-friendly and easy to navigate. It is all-in-one solution with CRM document management and billing. It also has customizable client portals and affordable for smaller firms. The only cons is that it lacks some advanced project management compared to Carbon, and some users report limited integrations. Lastly is for TaxDome. TaxDome has this strong automation and workflow features. It is highly customizable client portal. It also has affordable pricing with a good free plan and mobile app for on-the-go process. The cons for this is that it has fewer reporting analytics features, unlike Carbon, and it has also limited integration with third-party tools. So if you're a larger firm, go with Carbon. It is your best bet. If you're a smaller firm, you can go use Canopy. But if you want to automate your workflow, then TaxDome is the one for you. That is all. Thank you for watching.